Good morning, everyone. I am Bharatiyar from final year in Computer Science Department. I am going to do a project on online-based Aadhaar notification system. My teammates are myself, Bharati N, and Jeevan Kumar. Our guide is Dr. S. Saravanan sir. Our project, we have done a project on online-based Aadhaar notification system. We are using the domain as PHP MySQL. It is a custom project. We are the first team to submit this article. The Indian Voter ID card is an identity document is issued by the Election Commission of India to adult dominates who can to anywhere in the world, and there is some free mail services such as which providing Google, Gmail, Yahoo.com, and for example abc at gmail.com and abc at yahoo.com. Now it is necessary to an organization to establish the communication path over its internet to facilities electronic mail services. Also, the notification system provide the facility of mail service locally. Since the system is a mail service, the system has to follow the internet standards in technical points of view.
Here I am Bharati. I am going to explain about a problem statement. In the initial state of the project can be you only use an administrator can be create or delete the user. The administrator has to create a particular user and add the members and also delete members. After creating the ID, only for the user can be replace ourselves itself. The user alone is also provided the inbox, address books, and also on trash options. Here I explain about a literature survey. Uday is an unique identification authority of in India. It can be help us to identification of an documentations. It can be used to fund the unique identity number of every user, and we can also about the why Aadhaar we can use in the why Aadhaar can be used as this that is used for unique identity of India. The next one is inference from a literature. Inference from previously the project is developed using a Java and an API. It can be used to secure the mail between sender and receiver between the sender and receiver. It is in design is toolless, and when compared to conventional email services, overall email program is cost efficient and doesn't comprise in the security.
Only the administrator has the facility to create and delete the columns and that admit panel. This project will notify the eligibility criteria based on for all the members in the city, in the India, and the data will be ensure that accuracy, and only the admin user can use the admin panel with full of authentications, and records will be efficiently maintained in the database with every authentication. It provides the security for the information. This is the architecture diagram for a project. This architecture will be only maintained by the admin user. The admin user only knows that ID and password, and in this architecture the columns will be person name, father name, and Aadhaar number, mobile number, etc. It will based on the details of Aadhaar card, and the data can be add and remove by only the admin user. If the voter ID registration link is sent to the notification for the email, then in the admin panel notified status will be appear, and if the data are invalid, then it will delete the clients that users.
And we can explain about our modules. There are some modules we can use, and that is add members, remove members, and then modify the members. Add members modules is explain about the new created we can add the new details of a new user, and remove members is what used for and remove the other customer will be removed to the invalid other details. And next is modify members. Modify members is used to missing about the new name or phone number and email, etc. And we can use next is view members is used to likely show about the members details that like was person name, father name, and phone number, etc. And last one is check email sending. email sending can view the sending mail details, and lastly server mail. Here we can explain about the some software requirements. Software requirements are then we can use exam, MySQL and PHP. MySQL and PHP. MySQL is used for an front end, and back end we can use for an PHP. MySQL is a database system, and on the words, MySQL is a database system that runs on servers. It can ideal of both email and large applications. MySQL is very fast, reliable, and carry to use. MySQL is a standard SQL, and we can use a software about the XAMPP. XAMPP helps a local host server to test to website and then clients with the computer. The data of MySQL database are stored in the tables. The table is collection of related data, and it contains of columns and rows. Database is useful for storing information regularly, and we can use an hardware requirements that are we can use CPU, RAM. RAM is one contain of 1 GB. We can use HD capacity of 150 GB, and we can use Logitech keyboard and Logitech mouse and Logitech monitor.
Since the system is a mail service, the system as follows the internet standards. In technical points of view, there are two modules that are the client module and the server module. There are two protocols that have to be implemented for developing mail services. That is Post Office Protocol 3, POP3, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. And about Agni College of Technology, a LEAP developed skill development from training to global certification for the final year students got appreciated by United Nations Industrial Development Organization, and Agni helped to build this project. We are getting the technical knowledge, aptitude, and communication knowledge from the since first year to till the final year, and it will helps to gain our knowledge and to improve our career and doing this project.
And this project of online based content has been described, tested, and documented completely. The same project is used for an intranet and internet. This project is helpful for all the students and also workers to reply based on their government applicants. And this is our result analysis, that is an voter ID application form and also an employment registration form. Notification will be sent to the register mail ID within a fraction of second if the reaches of eligibility level of 18 age.
The future applications of this system lies in the facts that proposed systems would remain relevant in the future, and in future we can create the user if the applied users of government identity card, if they applied or not, it will be given for the admin panel that they applied or that they not applied. The status will be remains in the admin panel. Reference, the complete reference is PHP Stephen Halser, and system analysis and design book was Elias M. Award in the second edition 1998, and software engineering book published by Lan Sommerwich 6th edition in 2001.
Here I explain about the we can first start our exam control panel, and we can start about the Apache and then MySQL. Our databases and data collection, it can be stored about in the PHP MyAdmin, and we can run the host of localhost /Aadhaar, which is our website. Here the admin login page only for an admin panel. No one can about the email and then password. Our email and our password. This is our admin panel page. We can store we can collect the more number of databases, and we can use add user and also remove users. Add user can be asked the add other details.
The other informations can be added through the admin user in this database. The add user and remove user only be accessed by the admin user.
Here we can add details about the user, and we can click about the add user. The user can be reached as an 18 age. The email has been sent about the message has been sent about the email with the notification link. See here our user can be added on the first row. The status has been sent to the mail. We can check about the mail.